Okay guys, welcome back. Let's check to see if the ordered pair is a solution to the inequality. So we're just going to plug in our x, which is 1, plus 3 times negative 10 greater than or equal to negative 9. So 1 minus 30 is greater than or equal to negative 9. Negative 29 is greater than or equal to negative 9. So that's a false statement. It's not greater than, so this is no. It is not a solution. Number 6, our x value is negative 3 minus 6 times, our x, whoops, had that backwards. Our x value is negative 7, so negative 7 minus 6 times negative 3 is greater than or equal to 10. Negative 7 plus 18 greater than or equal to 10. We've got 11 is greater than or equal to 10. That's true. So this is a yes. It is a solution. Number 7, negative 5 times 2 plus 4 times 3 is less than negative 2. Negative 10 plus 12 less than negative 2. Okay, 2 is less than negative 2, and that would be a false statement. So that would be a no. And number 8, 7 times 2 minus 2 times negative 11 is greater than or equal to negative 11. 14 plus 22 greater than or equal to negative 11. That'd be 36 is greater than or equal to negative 11. That's true. So this is a yes. It is a solution. Okay, moving on to number 9 and 10. All right, negative 2 times 6 plus 7 times negative 1 is greater than or equal to negative 20. We've got negative 12 minus 7 is greater than or equal to negative 20. Okay, negative 19 is greater than or equal to negative 20. So that is true, and so this would be a yes. And number 10, negative 2 times 5 minus 6 times negative 2, okay, is greater than or equal to 2. Negative 10 plus 12 is greater than or equal to 2. 2 is greater than or equal to 2, which is true. It is greater than or equal to, so it is a yes. Okay, so now moving on to graphing the inequalities. We're already in slope-intercept form, so let's start here at the y-intercept of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our slope is 4. So let's go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 into the left one, or up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 into the right one. Okay, this is just less than, so this is actually going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 over. It's going to be a dashed line. Okay, and we're going to check out the point 0, 0. All right, so if I do the point 0, 0, I'll plug it in. 0 is less than 0 plus 4. 0 is less than 4. That's true. So the point 0, 0 is going to be on the shaded side. So we're going to shade the side here. Okay, moving on to number 12. Number 12, again, we're already in slope-intercept form. Let's start at the y-intercept of 1. Our slope is going to be negative 1, so we're just going to go down. It's going to look like this. Okay, it's greater than or equal to, so that means we're going to have a solid line. Okay, we don't want to, let's not check the point 0, 0. It's kind of close. Let's pick another point. Let's pick 2, 2 and see what if it's on the shaded side or the unshaded side. So when we plug in the point 2, 2, we're going to say 2 is greater than or equal to negative 2 plus 1. 2 is greater than or equal to negative 1. That's true. So this is on the true side here, so we're going to shade on the side that has the point. Okay, moving on. So I want you guys to now pause and try 13, 14. Yeah, try 13 and 14 on your own. Okay, and then start it back up again. Okay, so in 13, okay, welcome back. You've got to solve for y. So 15y is greater than 30x plus 75. We divide by 15. It's dividing by a positive, so y is greater than 2x plus 5. So now when we graph it, we've got our y-intercept of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our slope is 2. So let's go down 2 and over 1, or we can go up 2 and over 1. Okay, this is just greater than, so it's just going to be a dashed or a dotted line. Okay, so let's make it our dashed line here. All right, and let's check the point 0, 0. So 0, 0, let's plug it into the inequality. 0 is greater than 0 plus 5. Is 0 greater than 5? No, that's false. So that means this is on the false side, so you're actually going to shade on the other side. All right, now number 14. Okay, we're going to solve for y. So 4y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 8. And we're going to divide everything by 4. Y is less than or equal to negative 1/2 x, okay, plus 2. So a y-intercept of 2. And our slope is negative 1/2. So go down up 1 and over 2. All right, it's going to be a solid line because we've got less than or equal to. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Whoops, it's a little bit off, but you get the idea. All right, now let's check the point 0, 0. Whoops. Let's check the point 0, 0. When we do that, 0, 0, we plug in for y. 0 is less than or equal to 2. And that's a true statement. So the point 0, 0 is on the shaded side. Look like this. All right, now the last problem is a word problem, so let's take a look at it. It says you need to bring a duffel and a bedroll for a trip to the mountains. Okay, the sum of their weights. The sum of their weights. Of their weight x of the duffel bag and the weight y of the bedroll cannot exceed 30 pounds. So let's write an inequality. If we take the weight of the duffel bag and the weight of the bedroll, we can't exceed 30 pounds. So we could be less than or equal to 30. All right, so our inequality y would be less than or equal to negative x plus 30. Okay, so from there we're going to actually put in our values. Our y-intercept is 30. Okay, and our slope is negative 1, so we go down like this. It's less than or equal to, so it's going to be a solid line. Okay, so we've got our solid line. And now we want to figure out what side to shade it. So let's check out the point 0, 0. Our test point, we plug in 0, 0. 0 is less than or equal to 30. That's a true statement. So that means that everything under the line is going to be shaded like that. All right. Okay, thanks.